Welcome back to Halftime. Let's hit our call of the day. Meta upgraded to an overweight over at Morgan Stanley. The price target to 250. That's more than 25% upside. And of course, after a scorching run in the stock already, the analyst saying that despite the huge rally from the November low, there's still value in Meta thanks to its focus on increased efficiency, improving revenue engagement, and Reels trends. It's up 65% year to date. It's more than double since the October low, but still 25% upside from here.
Yeah, because I think a lot of people don't believe in the revenue story. They don't believe that they can monetize Reels and that advertising is going to come back, digital advertising is going to come back. It's of course going to come back. It's just a matter of time. The ROIs are just too important, and they have the best ROIs of all the FANG, quite frankly. So I think this is an interesting call because it was really focused on that revenue piece versus the efficiencies. We know it's the year of the efficiencies. We know they've lowered OPEX, CAPEX. And by the way, so they cut 11,000 jobs in November, and then now 9,000 last week. Before that, for the prior 4 quarters, they hired 90,000 people. So they still have a lot more that they can do on that front, and I bet that they will. And the stock's trading at 14 times, so I'm not going to buy more here, but I do like it, and I do think it does have upside.
Yeah, Jim?
So I'm a big disbeliever in social networks. I mean, I literally hate them. Steph, you and I have had some conversations about this.
Like you hate them?
No, I really hate them. I think it's just a venue for people to behave poorly, behave the opposite.
That's fine, but you can still make money on the stock.
So I'm getting there. Thank you. Sorry, I should have quickened it up. I think the stock is going higher from here, and there's a simple 2 reasons why. The valuation is incredibly cheap, and you're starting to see the earnings estimates go up. You put those 2 together, that's a powerful combination. Now to Steph, and I know this is a stock you're heavily in. They've got to meet those expectations, and if they beat them, then it's off to the races. But if they come in short, I don't think they will because there's a lot of cost cutting that they can do. It should be off to the races.
Are we just going to ignore the biggest catalyst of them all?
What, the ban of TikTok?
Literally, that's going on in Congress this week.
Thursday, the CEO.
The CEO of TikTok.
What do you mean
I can't even imagine. I can't even imagine what that
Did
job
you see the
must be
video
like.
that he dropped on YouTube today?
Yeah, it was great.
Saying 150 million monthly active users. It's half of
I know,
America.
I have 2 of them
and
living in my house.
If they ban it, then TikTok will be taken away from all of you people.
They won't, but well, we can only hope and pray. I don't think they'll ban it. I do think the reality is that this is headed toward a U.S. subsidiary or spin-off or some structure that lets everybody on both sides of the aisle act like they did something, and the platform's here to stay. However, the worse it gets for them in the public rhetoric, I think the better it gets for the share prices of Snap and, to a greater extent, Meta. And those stocks are clearly benefiting from this just overwhelming bipartisan negativity surrounding TikTok.
And we talk about AI all the time. This is the reason why Reels is actually doing better. So that's really important. So this is an AI play too, but it doesn't really get talked about. That's one of the reasons why Reels is starting to get momentum.
I'm with Jim, by the way. Shut them all down, but okay.
You really hate that? You hate them? You're not on Facebook? You're not like liking things left and right?
What's the good part?
I'm not on Facebook, so I can't. I'm
there you go.
Speaking theoretically.
Me and you.
How much has a ban theoretically been priced in, though, to this huge run that we've seen in Meta?
Yeah, I mean, a lot of it's up 120% from the November low, October lows. So yeah, there's a lot of good news being priced in. But I think again, they've gotten religion, Melissa, on the expense side, right? So and there's so much more that they can do. And he talked about year of efficiency. Well, how many times did he mention it on that call, on the earnings call? Like 10 times, 15 times. So he's really focused on that at this point. The new CFO is as well. So a lot of good news is priced in, but I don't think at 14 times it's really, really expensive. It's actually quite cheap.
Chart looks great too. Broke a very obvious downtrend. Volume started coming in as it broke above that. Exactly what you want to see, but it's not yet crazy overbought. RSI is still reasonable. I think the stock has room.